So here's how to change your account location in Roblox. So maybe you have the wrong location and you want to change it. So you want to open your browser and go to roblox.com and then click on the settings. And then if you select account info and then scroll down, you should see account location and the country or the location next to it. Now sometimes you should be able to change it via a Dropbox like this one, but in most cases it's just fixed like this and you can't change it on your own. So in this case, we want to contact the Roblox support. So click on help on the bottom. And then in the search box, you want to type account location and then click on account location. And then scroll down till you see how do I change my account location and then click on the support form. And it should take you to this page. Now you will need to fill out these information. For example, your username and your email, and then confirm the email address. Now, after filling out all the information, so the email, and now you will choose the device you're on. So for example, PC, and then the type of help you want to select how to, and then select how to change my location. Now you want to describe the issue. So in this case, I type, hello, I noticed my account is showing the wrong location and I'm currently located in the country that you want to change to. And the account appears to be displaying a different region, and could you please help me correct this? Now you want to press continue and you should solve this puzzle and then click on submit to submit the request. And once you submit the request, you should wait about 2 business days for the Roblox support to reach back to you. And they will change the location manually for you, and sometimes they may ask you for proof of the new location that you're trying to change to. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.